All right, today we're going to go through the standard calibration on a Spraymate Plus. First thing I'm going to do is turn on our console. Runs through a few screens, and then now we are in operation mode. To get to calibration, I'm going to hold this cal button for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the red LED comes on and cal appears on the screen. Since we're in the area position, we are going to set up our section widths right now. You can see there's a little number 2 on the screen. That's the section 2 width. Number 3, section 3 width. Number 1, section 1 width. I'm going to set these all to equal 10 feet or 120 inches. Okay, now that all 3 of those are set, we'll continue over to the next calibration setting. Right here on the distance position, we're going to enter in our speed cal. You should consult your manual on what speed cal you should use based on what your speed input source is. Now in the pressure position, we will adjust the control speed. The control speed is the speed of the algorithm that is controlling your system. Our range is from 3 to -12. Our default is -1, so I'm going to leave this system at -1. In the speed position, we can enter in a test speed or a simulated speed. If you want to run your system to clear out the booms or to check nozzle patterns, check for leaks, anything like that, you can enter in a test speed here and we will simulate the speed on the system. The rate, this is what our target rate will be every time our system is turned on. Our default is 20 gallons per acre. I'm going to adjust this to 5 gallons per acre in this example. Next, in the tank position, is our adjust rate. This is the amount that the gallons per acre is adjusted every time you press the plus or minus button. Default is 1 gallon per acre. I'm going to adjust this to half a gallon per acre in this example. In the volume per minute position, we can enter in a minimum flow. A minimum flow would be desired to stay above the flow meter minimum or to maintain a minimum flow to keep your nozzle patterns consistent. I'm going to leave this at 0. It does not need to be set, but you are more than welcome to set it on your system. Lastly, in the volume position is where we set up our flow cal. On our Micro-Trak flow tags, we provide you guys with 3 values, with a Micro-Trak liquid cal, a pulses per gallon, and a pulses per 10 gallons. If you are not using a Micro-Trak liquid cal or Micro-Trak flow meter, make sure that you use the pulses per gallon value times 2. I know that the flow meter on my system has a cal value of 1569, so I will adjust my value here to equal that. To finish the calibration, all we need to do is hold the cal button for 2 seconds. The LED goes away, cal is no longer on the screen, and now any value that you have entered in is now saved.